Maingay na ba ang Toyota Revo nyo kapag pumepreno mga kapatid? Basahin natin kung anong sabi ng Toyota Revo Owner's Manual. Brake pad wear indicators. The brake pad wear indicators on your disc brakes give a warning noise when the brake pads are worn to where replacement is required. If you hear a squealing or scraping noise while driving, have the brake pads checked and replaced by your nearest Toyota dealer immediately. Avoid continuous driving with the warning noise. Continuous driving without replacing the brake pads will cause expensive rotor damage and increasing braking pedal effort to get the same stopping distance. So, ako hindi ko na iniintay na mag-ingay yung preno ko. Tuwing nagpapa-PMS ako, change oil, ganyan, pinapasilip ko na kung makapal pa ba. Kung medyo nag-uumpisang numipis, palitan na natin kasi para sa safety din natin, di ba? Lang mga may alam, basahin ng Toyota Revo Owner's Manual. Maraming